The Samsung Galaxy M30 comes with a triple rear camera and an immersive display. The 3GB variant comes in stainless black and metallic blue colors, while 4GB and 6GB variants come in gradation black and gradation blue colors. The phone is available in 3 memory variants: 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. Internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. The dual nano SIM phone comes in 4G plus 4G configuration with dual standby. The 6.4-inch FHD Plus touchscreen provides an immersive viewing experience. The AMOLED Infinity U-style display provides sharper contrast and brightness. The phone is equipped with 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 5 megapixel triple rear camera, which allows you to take clear pictures even under low light conditions. Click selfies with a 16 megapixel front camera. The phone runs on Android Pie operating system with Samsung's One UI on top of it. It is powered by the Exynos 7904 octa-core processor. This tablet runs on a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery with Type-C fast charge that gives you 3 times faster charging. The box includes handset, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin, and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.